October the 4th, 2000 marked the end of an era, 40 years to be exact, as the last classic Minis rolled off MG Rover's production line facilities in Longbridge, Birmingham. After its launch in 1959, sales were slow, but it soon became the car to be seen in, after celebrities such as Peter Sellers and members of the Beatles owned them. But it was the 1969 Michael Caine film The Italian Job that perhaps really gave the Mini street cred. During the 70s and 80s, with Cooper editions deleted from the range and with modern small cars hitting the road such as the Mini Metro, the future of the Mini was uncertain. Japan became a big export market for the Mini, which eventually bounced back onto the scene in 1990 with the limited edition of just 1,000 Mini Coopers. Demand was high for the vehicle, prompting Rover to put the Cooper back into full-time production just a few months after the limited edition. With final checks carried out by the Rover assembly line team for several penultimate examples, it was then time for the last ever Mini to emerge centre stage. Surrounded by dozens of MG Rover production line staff, it was 1960s singer and former Mini owner Lulu who drove the last example out to the awaiting press. It's fitting that the last ever Mini was a Cooper. The car was eventually handed over to the British Motoring Centre Museum in Gaydon, where it was placed on show to the public. People involved with the car's production turned up to witness the end. John Shepherd and Jack Daniels were members of the original design team, working to the Mini's head designer, Sir Alec Isigonis. Hundreds of journalists were around to witness the ceremony from around the world, giving the car a send-off no celebrities would give anything for.